So I will start with the CSIR lab NIIST Trivandrum. So Dr. Saurabh, yeah, please.
So, officials from DSIR, representatives of various MSMEs and startups, faculty members from IIT Gandhinagar, and students. So, I am from CSIR-NIIST, and Dr. K.P.Prathish is the official coordinator for the CRTDH, but I'll be presenting the details of CRTDH because somehow he could not make it here. So, first, I will just give a brief of what DSIR and CRTDH is and what all technological developments or interventions we have done, facilities we have created as an outcome of this CRTDH, and what is the impact of this DSIR and CRTDH, what kind of support we can offer for MSMEs and startups, and way forward, what we are looking in future. So, CSIR-NIIST actually was established in 1972, and as you can see, it is situated at the southernmost tip of India. And as the name indicates, it is an interdisciplinary institute. We work in agro processing, chemical sciences, material sciences, microbial processes, and the division which I belongs to, environment. So, this particular CRTDH here in NIST was established in 2014-15. So now as far as technological developments are concerned, the first one is buoyant filter bioreactor. It is a technology for treatment of high strength wastewater with complex composition like wastewater which contains oils and fats, and it is very useful for dairy effluents, ice cream factories and rice mills. Second one is compact food waste bioenergy plant. So actually this plant can handle food waste up to 500 kg per day, and one such unit we have already installed in Trivandrum International Airport with a capacity of 500 kg per day. Third one is NIST on-site wastewater treatment system. Actually, we know in canteens, hotels, and all, we get high strength wastewater out of it with a COD of a range of 2000 to 2500. So this system is particularly suitable for that, and target industries can be hotels, restaurant, catering units, community halls, and agro waste MSMEs, etc. Fourth one is biotickling filter. It is popularly known as BTF. Actually, it is a process developed by CSIR-NIIST, and it is specifically for VOCs. VOCs, which comes out as a part of spray painting. Whenever there is a spray painting system, this kind of VOCs can be controlled by this filter. So actually, I just put a brief details of it here, and I request each one of you to take a one-page brochure of each technology from our stall. There you can get more things about these technologies. So as far as facility is concerned, first one is the dioxin facility, and this is the only facility in India where we can measure dioxin in environmental metrics, food metrics, and all. Second one is heavy metal analysis lab, engineering lab. Actually, there was already an engineering lab, but we have upgraded it with state-of-the-art equipments. Fourth one is water and wastewater lab, which is NABL accredited, TOC, TNB analyzer, order testing, and plastic biodegradability tests. So these are facilities, and the initial four were technologies. So now, if we see the DSIR and CRTDH impact on various parameters like technology transfers, its installations, revenue generation, and type of MSME or the number of MSME benefited. So these four process know-hows, we have licensed to 7 different firms, and all those firms are in Kerala only mostly. So if you see the spatial footprint of this installation, most of the installations are in Kerala only, with some with one in Maharashtra, one in Chhattisgarh, one in Odisha. And I am very proud to say that we have a CRTDH impact outside India also. We have installed 4 BFBRs in Sultanate of Oman, Muscat also, through our partners. So as far as facility is concerned, because of this facility only, we could clear the consignment of around 400 rupees crore of seafood after dioxin interpretation in that. And because of this facility, we could collaborate with reputed institutes like BARC, Niri Nagpur, and other such institutes, and we regularly do sampling for government bodies like CPCB, SPCB, and all. And the total revenue generated out of this facility is around 2 crores. So if you see specifically the type of MSME which are benefited from this technology plus facility combined, so it can be categorized fish, shrimp, bone meal sectors, rice mills, ice cream factories, common effluent treatment plants, restaurants, desiccated coconut industries, plywood and cashew roasting. So together because of this facility in Kerala region, more than 500 MSMEs gets benefited. So now come to support for MSMEs or startups from our side. So actually we are a CSIR lab, as you all know. So CSIR has its own guidelines for technology transfer and knowledge and utilization of knowledge base. So we do have a very flexible and considerate pricing of technologies for you. So we have a dedicated business development team at our institute, and if any one of you wishes to take our process know-how, you are welcome. So by chance, if you have any financial problem, don't think much over that. You just contact us. By now, we have worked out many things with such kind of small startups and MSMEs, and we have helped them. So lastly, actually, it is not the end. With those technologies and these CRTDH facilities, now we will be working in scale up of solid waste treatment plants, incinerators for MSMEs, cashew and brick kilns, plywood sector, desiccated coconut, and other environmental metrics, food metrics, and feed testing. Thank you. I'll be happy to answer if there are some questions.
I think.
Actually, one more thing. These slides were around 100 slides. So somehow I hope I was able to convey the crux of those in 10, 15 slides. That's why it may be a little bit brief. I understand.
We are very thankful to you because you have made the presentation well in time. But if you feel that something is left, I will explain on your behalf. So let me tell you one of the interesting success stories of Anish Trivandrum. You know, he talked about dioxin research facilities. Now, he's saying that 2 crores they have earned. So that seems to be a small amount, that okay, 2 crores. But if you see the real impact and gain, that is 450 crore rupees of export food material, which previously used to be analyzed outside the country, and most of the time it was very time consuming, as well as because of competition the consignment the samples were got rejected also because of some competition. So now, since the facility is well inside the country, the samples are being tested in reasonable time, and most of the samples, if they are having the quality parameters, they are successfully passed. So that's why they are getting the rupees 450 crores in last, I think, 6 months or 1 year time, something like that. 18 months time. So that is something I think each CRTDS should think in that direction, that there may be one direct benefit which you are getting by giving some consultancy, some analytical services, some other type of services, but at the same time there is indirect benefits also, which you have to focus, that how you are impacting the country's economy in that way. So thank you very much for your presentation.